Maxwelton Wonderful 3-bed, 2-bath home on level 2 acre lot. This home features an open floor plan, 2 master suites, crown molding, a large covered front porch and large rear deck. The home has also had many updates including new white kitchen cabinets, new countertop backsplash, new laminate flooring, new bookcases, new paint in the kitchen, new wainscoting, new recessed lighting, a new heating and air unit, 2017, and a new roof, 2017. This home also features a 2-car attached garage with a 1-bed, 1-bath apartment. Built in 2014, the apartment features bamboo flooring and electric baseboard heat. There is also an outside entertainment area with fire pit, a 12 by 24 outbuilding that is insulated with power, a front porch and deck. Stainless steel appliances convey in home and apartment.